The first thing is when they turn up in a beat-up old truck. If that's the standard that they're driving around and presenting themselves as, they're not up to our standard in our industry. They've got to have a reasonably clean and reasonably new truck or a ute, their own tools. They've got to present well, be tidy looking, and the tools that they have in the back of their vehicles use an indication of how long they've been in business. Because if they turn up with all brand new shiny car and a brand new set of tools, well, you think about it, whether you put them on or not. And if you do, our supervisor keeps an eye on their work for the first few days, just to make sure that they are up to standard. We go through a fairly rigorous process of interviewing. We ask them their background, we get referrals, and we call their referrals to see what their previous work was like. And we give anyone a go. We're looking for older people normally, because they're the ones who have got the knowledge that you don't have to train them, and they're the ones who are more loyal and won't take the day off after they've been on the heavy night out. So yeah, that's basically it when we employ people. And we might go through maybe 5 or 6 people before we select one.